So our fire has had a lot of use over the holidays. The ash tray at the bottom is really full, and I'm going to show you how I clean it out. So firstly, rubber gloves on, so filthy Joel. And I'm going to take these bits of wood that haven't burnt out, pop them to one side, and then any extra ash push down. It's really important also to do this when the fire is totally cold. You mustn't ever do it with hot ash. So push that through. This is quite clever. It's got a tray that catches ash. Not all fires do, so sometimes you just have to sweep them out into a dustpan and brush. So I've got my tray. Now that is very full. I'm going to take this straight outside. I actually keep some of the ash and I pop it on my rose beds. Ash is actually really good for your roses. So I am going to take this straight outside and show you popping it on my roses. So I am out here, I have got my ashtray and I am just going to place it here. It's also a jolly good idea to do this when it's not too windy, otherwise you get ash blowing everywhere. But I just sprinkle it around the base of my roses and it's really good for them. And then any excess ash that I've got in my tray that I haven't needed to put on my roses, I just take up to our bonfire side and it goes on there. So I've emptied my ashtray, but I've still got quite a lot of ash tucked in behind. So I've got my dustpan and brush and I've got an old washing up bowl here. So I'm just going to sweep this in. Sweep up that along the front. And now it's time to get the hoover out. So I've got two different nozzles. I'm going to go with this one first. Now we've done that, I'm now going to pop this brush one on. There, the hoover's off. So this brush one is quite good. It also sort of doesn't damage the fire surround either. So I've still got a bit more ash in my washing up bowl, but I shall go and put that on a few more roses at the top of the garden. So cleaning out the fire and also looking after your plants at the same time.